I've known about Bitcoin for a fair few years now. However, I kick myself on a daily basis that I never really got started investing in it early enough. If I did, I could have rode that tremendous wave which sent Bitcoin's value to over $1,000 per Bitcoin. You see, I was familiar with Bitcoin then, but it was still very new, so my time was spent actually just learning about the ins and outs of the cryptocurrency Bitcoin and ensuring it wasn't just another Ponzi scheme because it was something very new. So I was doing that over actually investing in Bitcoin at the time. Now, although there hasn't been such a huge spike in Bitcoin's value since, I feel I caught Bitcoin at the right time. So I started investing heavily in Bitcoin once I knew everything about it. Now, at that time, the price was hovering between $100 to $150 per Bitcoin. Now, let me tell you, at the time of creating this course, Bitcoin's value is hovering between $400 to $450 per Bitcoin. So if I cashed out, I'd make a tremendous profit. I'm talking in excess of a 300% profit minimum. That is a return on investment you will not get anywhere else. I put my Bitcoins on that. So as you can see, the potential is amazing. Now I'll go into this later, but you should have a target of what price you want your Bitcoins to reach before cashing out. However, my price has not been reached yet. Now, as Bitcoin becomes more popular, and of course there is a limit on how many Bitcoins can actually be created, I only see the price increasing in years to come. So there you have it. My part of Bitcoins has increased in value by 300% at a minimum. Of course, I'll show you how to catch a Bitcoin at the best possible price later in the course, and when to sell and when the time's right to do that, and once you've reached your return on investment goal, which we'll go into later. Now, before I move on to the next section, in the next lecture, I just want you to ensure that you're aware that this is an investment. So Bitcoin and investing in them is an investment. So I want you to be aware of the risk involved, because Bitcoin's value does rise and it does fall, and many people make impulse actions when this happens. But I'll show you later in this course how and why to avoid this. But like I said, please do remember that this is an investment, and as with any investment, there is risk involved. But in this course, I'll be helping you to minimise that risk to ensure you remain profitable when it comes to Bitcoin investing.